Viruses can cause dramatic loss of human life worldwide. With the power of science, we can create vaccines to end global human tragedy and economic devastation caused by pandemics. But wait, what happens if a new strain of the virus appears? How does mutation work, and what can we do to halt it from doing so? Well, let's find out. When a virus from an infected individual finds its way to the entry gates of the human body, such as the eyes, nose, or mouth, it uses its protein spikes to bind into a receptor molecule and it penetrates the cells. The ribosomes then copy the virus's genetic material and start replicating viral cells of the virus. However, this process frequently makes mistakes. This causes mutation. Sometimes, nucleic acids are deleted, inserted, or substituted for a different nucleic acid in the codon, making the product somehow altered from the original one. Where the mistakes occur in the genome determines the virus's characteristics, such as its size, shape, infectivity, mortality, type of host organisms, and target cells. At most times, mutations have no impact, or they can weaken the virus. But when the modification is advantageous, it might either cause the virus to spread rapidly or make it detrimental. A mutation or multiple mutations from a single replication can alter a virus's natural genome. These new mutations propagate, and these are what we call variants. The telephone game best illustrates this process, where a group of people relay messages from one person to another until it reaches the end. Usually, we hear bizarre and different results, right? As long as there are host organisms, the genes of the viruses always replicate, and sometimes what they start with is not what they end up with. At this present time, there are hundreds of coronavirus variations identified worldwide, such as the UK variant, which is significantly more transmissible than other coronavirus lineages, Brazilian variant, which might be able to evade immunity that people gained after previously being infected, and South African variant, which might be able to bypass some of the protection offered by vaccines or previous COVID infection, which may heighten pressure on healthcare services, resulting in more hospitalizations and eventually leading to more deaths. Like a hacker sneaking malicious codes into websites, mutation alter its original genome and tend to give opportunities for the viruses to worsen. So how do we fight these mutations? Just like a race, the best way is to block the possibilities of viral mutations. Vaccines can provide protection against new variants with their overall immune response involving various antibodies and cells. As more people get vaccinated, virus circulation will decrease, leading to fewer mutations. Do you know what's mind-blowing? Viruses and mutation may sound scary, but they can also demonstrate the interconnected nature of our world. How? No one is safe until everyone is safe. Acting in solidarity can save lives and kickstart a global recovery.